Have you just recorded a vocal and when you play it back it's out of time with your beat? Here's a quick fix you may not know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The problem is latency. In BandLab, go to the menu in the top left corner. Go down to Tools and down to Latency Test. Put your microphone in front of your speaker and start the test. Your latency is 383 milliseconds. This correction will be applied the next time you press record for your current session. So let's record again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Playback.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sorted.